Bridestowe has to be one of the most attractive and easy accessible villages on the edge of Dartmoor National Park. And behind me, we've got a fantastic home called the Grain Store, beautifully converted with 2 bedrooms, lovely south-facing garden, impeccable throughout. And look at the bluebells there as well. So let's go and have a look at what this home has to offer.